Test that power has been disconnected for both the existing doorbell and chime box by pressing the doorbell button. There should be no chime sound at this time. Remove your existing doorbell and disconnect the wiring. Bend the power cables so they do not fall through the hole in the wall. Use the mounting bracket to mark the holes for the screws. Use the mounting accessories specified depending on your mounting location. For brick, stucco, or siding, use a 15/64-inch drill bit to drill holes where marked. For installing on a metal door frame, use a 3/32-inch drill bit. Use the included mounting screws and plastic anchors to secure the mounting bracket to the wall. Ensure the power cables from the wall fit comfortably through the hole in the mounting bracket. Loop the power cables around the power ports of the doorbell. Use the 2 included screws to secure the power cables. If the power cables in the wall are not long enough, use the optional power cable connectors and wire caps. Ensure there is enough space to fit the cable connectors and wire caps into the hole in your wall or door frame. Push the wiring through the hole in the wall or door frame. Slide the doorbell down so the plastic tab on the doorbell locks in the notch on the mounting bracket. Insert the included security screw through the mounting bracket and into the screw hole on the bottom of the doorbell. Fasten tightly using the star-shaped end of the included screwdriver to complete the installation.